Alright, hello everybody. My name is Ryan Yeager, and I'm going to be the instructor throughout this course. This course, it's been working on for a while. There's a whole story behind it, but what the main objective is here is you have to have a want, a will to learn, right? That's my biggest thing right there. If you have a will to learn and a want to learn, you will succeed. You will be able to do a lot of things. So there's quite a few things on this machine that you're given, as long as you got it through the OneDrive there. We do have Obsidian on here. All right, that is already on here, so we do have note taking. Okay, the vault is not created. You do have to create the vault for it. I don't know where you want your vault at, so I'm not going to create it for you. But if you click on Obsidian, it takes a few minutes the first time, especially whenever it loads up. You can go ahead and create a new vault and everything like that. Just click on Quick Start or just create. All right, so we can create a new vault, and you can go ahead and choose your vault name, such as in MarauderSec notes, right, or whatever you want to call it. Click create. Oh, pick a location for it. Okay, so we say home, sure, select. All right, and we can just do whatever we want here. Okay, we could put in there something like make a folder for it if you want to. But there you go. So now you have your Obsidian notes like right here if you want to use those. Great tool. Cherry Tree also comes on Kali Linux by default, so you can also use Cherry Tree or whatever you want to use. A lot of the tools that you're going to be using throughout the course are already on here. The Docker is already on here. Everything that you're going to need for the course is pretty much on here. There's only a couple times we actually go out to GitHub and get a new tool. But what I would highly suggest is as you're reading through the PDF and as you're watching the videos and things like that, you go above and beyond. All right, by above and beyond, I mean like going out to Hack the Box Academy, Hack the Box, Try Hack Me, Voln Hub, Voln Lab, Proving Grounds, um, all those different sites that you can test what you've learned and try those different boxes and things like that as you're moving through the course, right? So maybe, even starting point on Hack the Box, the tier 0 stuff like right there, great stuff to work on, great things to go through. If you need help going through any of it, I also have a YouTube under Overgrown Carrot 1. Has a lot of different channels on there, or a lot of different videos on there. They're all broken up into different folders and things like that that you can look at. With that, I'm really excited to teach this. You're going to see quite a few times throughout this course something called cyber ranges. That's because the course was originally built for them. Like I said, this course has been being built for a long time. Then some things happened, so it was built for them originally. Um, but doesn't look like, but that kind of fell through. So we are now releasing it to everybody with a pay what you can. So if you paid $0 or $10 million, I don't care. You get the course, you get all the material, and it continues to get updated. So we'll continue to update it. If you find any problems with it, reach on GitHub. All right, on Chad B News GitHub there within the MarauderSec page there, and I will try to fix it as soon as possible. All right, or try to help you or other members in there will try to help you also if you're having trouble getting something started or understanding attacks or anything like that. Finding a good place to learn and other people teach you is a huge benefit. All right, so a little bit about myself. Been in the Marine Corps for 20 years now. About to retire. Depending on when you watch this video, I may have already retired. Right. I work at a company called BankSec right now. Pretty much we hack banks. It's a lot of fun. Had a lot of fun doing that. Have some great coworkers. I currently have OSCP, EWPT, ECPPT, all that crap. CRTP, Certified Red Team Professional. Hack the Box, CPTS there. Probably one of the hardest certs I've ever taken right there. The EJPT version 1 and 2. Network Defense Professional. And I am a networker by trade. That's right where I started learning everything was networking, and then kind of moved over into penetration testing. So I do think that you do need those that foundation to be able to increase. Just hopping straight into penetration testing and not understanding like what port 80 is or something like that. You're going to have some difficult times. This course is designed for beginners, right? To someone that knows, maybe just networking or just servers, some of that. It is designed for them to be able to bring them up to the next level. To a junior penetration tester, a little bit of mid-tier stuff in here also for penetration testing. We got some Active Directory things in here, certificate attacks, pivoting, things like that. Quite a few Linux stuff in here, and some web app stuff in here. This is not, you don't take this course then expect to go to the OSCP and pass it. Right? We all know that that's pretty much what everyone's going to use these different courses for, is to go to OSCP and pass it. Do boxes. The more boxes you do, the more likely you are to pass the OSCP. Do the boxes that they provide, do the training that they provide. Use this as supplementary training. All right. Use virtual hacking labs. That's one of the things that I used, and I thought that was absolutely excellent. Virtual hacking labs there. I have all three of their certs. I think it's three of them around. I got the beginner one. I forget what it's called. Advanced Plus, then Pro. Whenever I got those three. Pro was actually pretty difficult. Advanced Plus starts to get pretty difficult, but I felt like the advanced stuff was more on par with some of the certs that I've taken. So if you want to reach out on Discord, say what's up. Ryan Yeager over on Discord now. I was Overgrown Carrot 1. Changed it to Ryan Yeager. And yeah, go ahead and reach out, say what's up. If you want to hit me up on LinkedIn, more than happy to talk to you. And I hope you all enjoy the course and have a good one and learn a lot, hopefully.